This is not another 30-day challenge where you're going to be overwhelmed with complicated routines, expensive equipment, or exotic ingredients that you can't pronounce, let alone find at your local grocery store. No, this is different. This is going to be epic. I am here to take you to your highest potential. I want you to feel amazing in your body, unstoppable in your mind, and electrified in your energy. And it all starts with small habits, big results. Each day for the next 30 days, we'll add one simple, powerful habit to transform your body, mind, and energy. It takes just a few seconds to do each one. They require no special equipment. They fit into any lifestyle. You can do them anywhere in the world. By the end of the 30 days, you will look better naked. Will have zero self-doubt. Your confidence will be through the roof. Your mental clarity will allow you to get anything you want. Your energy will be so high, you will be able to play with your kids or grandkids without getting winded. You'll sleep like a baby. You'll be more productive than you ever thought possible. You'll have zero inflammation. Your immune system will be optimized. Your skin will glow. Your digestion will be perfect. In fact, I can guarantee that by the end of this 30 days, you will feel healthier than you have in years. And guess what? It gets even better. Keep watching to the end because there's something special coming for those of you who stick around. So let me explain how this works. You'll get one new habit each day for the next 30 days. That's it. Just one. Not too hard, right? Now here's the deal. You must commit to doing that habit every day for the next 30 days. Once you complete a full 30 days, you'll move on to the next habit. And every time you complete a full 30 days with a new habit, you'll get a pretty awesome reward. Day 1, drink a full glass of water first thing in the morning. This is an easy one. Just chug a full glass of water when you wake up. Helps kickstart your metabolism and flushes out toxins from the night before. Day 2, don't use any plastic water bottles. Carry a metal or glass bottle with you wherever you go, so you always have access to fresh, clean water. Day 3, start each day with a 10-minute meditation. Meditation calms your mind, reduces stress, and helps you focus on the day ahead. Day 4, no excuses. Every time you feel like quitting, say to yourself, I don't quit. Excuses don't grow muscles. Results do. Repeat this 3 times. Day 5. Throw away all the junk food in your home. Replace it with healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, and vegetables. Day 6. Only eat when you're hungry. Don't eat if you're not hungry. Listen to your body's cues. Day 7. Get at least 8 hours of sleep tonight. Sleep is essential for your body and mind to recharge. Day 8. Unplug from technology 1 hour before bed. Read a book or journal instead. Day 9. Eat at least 1 serving of leafy greens daily. Leafy greens are packed with nutrients and fiber. Day 10. Walk for 30 minutes straight at a brisk pace. Brisk walking has numerous health benefits. Day 11. Drink a cup of green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants and has a calming effect. Day 12. Cut out sugar for the next 30 days. Sugar is addictive and doesn't fill you up. Day 13. Increase your protein intake. Protein is essential for building muscle and feeling full. Day 14. Do a random act of kindness for a stranger. Helping others boosts your mood and theirs. Day 15. Spend 30 minutes in the sun. Sunlight helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Day 16. Learn something new today. Learning keeps your mind sharp and engaged. Day 17. Read 10 pages of a non-fiction book. Reading expands your knowledge and perspective. Day 18. Practice deep breathing exercises for 5 minutes. Deep breathing reduces stress and increases oxygen in your body. Day 19. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude is a powerful mindset. Day 20. Smile more. Smiling releases endorphins and makes you feel good. Day 21. Listen to upbeat music for 30 minutes. Music can boost your mood and motivation. Day 22. Declutter your living space. Clutter can cause stress and distraction. Day 23. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Exercise increases cardiovascular health. Day 24. Stretch for 10 minutes. Stretching improves flexibility and reduces muscle tension. Day 25. Plan your meals for the next week. Planning helps with portion control and avoiding impulsive choices. Day 26. Take a break from social media. Social media can cause comparison and FOMO. Day 27. Use positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Day 28. Dance to your favorite song. Dancing is a fun way to move your body. Day 29. Give yourself a reward for completing the 30 days. Treat yourself for sticking to the program. Day 30. Do a full body workout. You've earned it. Now let's talk about those rewards. When you complete a full 30 days with a new habit, you level up to the next level. Here's how it works. Level 1. You successfully complete 30 days with one new habit. You receive one reward. Level 2. You successfully complete 60 days with 2 new habits. You receive 2 rewards. Level 3. You successfully complete 90 days with 3 new habits. You receive 3 rewards. Here are your reward options. Option 1. Buy yourself something nice with the money you saved by not buying junk food or eating out. Option 2. Schedule a massage or a day at the spa. You deserve it. Option 3. Buy a new workout outfit or some supplements to support your goals. Option 4. Take a long weekend trip somewhere you've always wanted to go. So here's what you need to do next. First, hit the like button. That helps us reach more people with our mission of empowering everyone to live a healthy, happy life. Second, subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. Third, share this video with a friend who needs some motivation. It's free and it helps keep us motivated. Fourth, comment below and tell us which habit you're most excited about. Can't wait to see you in our next video.